The homey exterior of the Yardley Cypress Apartments features grey clapboard siding with white trim and brick. A front door painted red completes the look. Inside the expansive clubhouse is a check-in desk, recessed ceiling lights, and expansive windows. The fitness studio offers cardio equipment, lifting machines, and free weights. A gaming area is stocked with foosball tables. Outside, the geometric, angular pool is framed by lounge chairs. The fenced dog park offers 2 exercise tubes and a park bench on the expansive lawn. Opposite the pool is a wooden gazebo with plush sofas and chairs. A fire pit and 2 barbecue grills are nearby. There are a multitude of apartment buildings in the area featuring fenced backyards and gable-style roofs. Amenities in the kitchen include an island counter, stainless steel appliances, and white cabinetry. Specialty light fixtures hang from the ceiling. Prevalent throughout the premises are light walls, wood-inspired flooring, and recessed ceiling lights. The bedrooms are furnished with a ceiling fan and a window with blinds. The bathrooms feature a vanity with undersink cabinetry, framed mirror, and walk-in shower. An inner doorway in the bathroom opens to a walk-in wardrobe closet. The private yard is accessible through a patio sliding glass door. A cultivated flower garden and rock beds are embedded by the pathway. Logo: Yardley by Taylor Morrison.